right, we're starting this job here at this building. We're going to be turning it into a double event center, splitting the two sections, demoing some stuff. Right now we've got a couple guys over there eating some lunch.
No, we worked our asses off so much that...
Oh, yeah, that's right.
We worked our asses off so much that we're just eating lunch.
Yeah, we've been working so hard that we're just now getting lunch. Come through here. We've got this section here. This is going to be getting demoed over here with...
We're gonna have sinks.
Yep.
The wall, sink and fridge, countertop. And then we're turning
this section over here.
Hallway.
And then are we still doing the bathrooms over here too?
Here, yes.
Okay.
There's another door.
Doorway here that leads out.
Into a hallway. Next to where there's another tenant space just like this over there. I'm gonna put a bathroom in that unit over there. I'm gonna go eat.
Okay.
I'm gonna go eat.
I thought some of this was getting changed into the bathroom. Some of this was getting changed into the two bathrooms for this side, I thought.
I'm gonna use the mini door.
Oh, yeah, the mini door. This area is going to pretty much stay the same as the storage area, except for this wall will be gone here, and we'll have the two sinks on each side with counter spaces. Okay. All right, let's head over to this other section that's gonna have a different tenant in it. Sorry about that weird angle for a sec. The door was being stubborn. So we won't be doing anything in here except for that hallway that'll come through over here on that other event center that'll lead out to this door over here. So that way there's another exit, and then we'll be doing a bathroom in this section as well for these tenants. So we'll see you again when we're doing the demo. All right, so we're hoping that right behind this wall, we will break into what we see as the windows. Well, we're gonna demo into.
Oh, shit, there's a, ow!
He's got another screw.
Woo! Yeah! Told you the door was right there.
We got windows.
Yeah, window.
With some aluminum. Nice. Perfect. Exactly what we wanted. So we are demoing this wall here. Now we should be able to pry bar it away or come back.
I want to make sure this, we gotta pull the power out. And all of this plywood, and then there's plywood out there. So if you want it, come get it. It's roughly about $600, $700 worth of plywood.
All right, we are here for day 2. We've got the dumpster showing up. And in here, we've got guys going on demo. taking these boards out, similar to like that. That far wall there will be staying the way it is, but all the blue will be coming out like we did on this side. Alright, this wall's about ready to come down. This part of it.
Oh, maybe not. I forgot to cut. God, hate that.
Oops. I'm just kidding. Momentarily, that wall will be coming down.
Ah!
Not with that bent blade. I don't think anybody can see it on the camera, but. A little crooked. Much straighter.
Bam! That's as straight as you are.
Had to break out the persuader.
So we just opened this section here. I thought I was recording. No, I took a freaking picture. So he's over here laughing his ass off. I took a freaking picture. I came over here and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna stand right by this, and I'm in a video, you knocking this wall down.
And then you missed.
And then I took a freaking picture. Yeah, and then I almost got pelted in the face by this freaking thing. And now nobody believes me because I didn't have a freaking video of it. But yeah, he was in there hitting it with the sledgehammer. We cut it out on this side, and then he's in there hitting it with the sledgehammer. I got so much freaking sawdust in my ears. But anyways, he's hitting it with a hammer, busting it out, and I'm like, yeah, I'm getting this footage, woo! And then I clicked the button to stop it, and it took another freaking picture. Had nothing. Just took 2 pictures when we should have been taking a video. So, but.
Oh, and then you see all these nails too.
Oh yeah, and then I freaking
like
did a video
every 2 inches
of all these freaking. I don't know if you can see in the video. And look at that one.
There's the bunch.
Oh, battery handle's already dead. So we opened this wall up, got this, but to finish this, we got to take part of the drop down off like I had to over here. So this plywood goes all the way up. So we have to take off some of the drop down to take that all off. But so we got that wall. We're gonna leave that wall, but we're stacking up plywood there. And then we got this whole wall taken off, but except for plywood. And then, like I said, that. And then we cleaned out. Hope I don't drop over any, step on anything and back up. And then we've cleaned up all of this, put it all in the dumpster. So that was day 2. And so, but we're trying to hurry and fill this garbage can up because I'm afraid tomorrow of showing up and this is full of other people's crap. So that's my fear. So we're trying to hurry and fill it up. And oh, and then I built a little sawhorse so that I can stand on it and get up elevated, or I can sit on it or use it as a bench. So, because we have one here for one person, for the second person, and then that for the third person, because I left everything else at home. So that's day 2. I don't think I did anything in there, but we got rid of a cabinet and a shelf in there as well. So, but that just needs to get cut up and then across, and that whole wall will fall down. And then we have to build another wall right there. So we'll be back tomorrow.
Oh yeah!